Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a 3-course meal. So to begin, I'm going to make the appetizer, the main course, and the dessert. So I have this premium romaine salad. So I'm going to toss this salad and put it up in the fridge. So I'm going to go in here with some blue cheese. And I just toss it like so. So when you feel you've gotten the dressing everywhere, you can cover and take to the refrigerator. So this goes to the fridge. So guys, the next thing I will do is to bake or oven roast the chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and come in here with some coconut oil. This is going into the oven. So I'm gonna boil this for like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna cut it up into cubes and make potato cubes for the appetizer. I'm gonna come with a little bit of salt and I'll just let it boil for 10 minutes, okay? So guys, to go with the appetizer, I'm gonna do some Pacific whiting cubes. So this is filet Pacific whiting, okay? So I'm gonna cube this. With the potato cubes for my appetizer. So guys, with this you don't need to do too much. Just a little bit of salt. And a little bit of seasoning. And there you go. It's ready to be fried. So guys, while this is going on, I'm going to saute some shrimp for the main course, okay? I'm going to come here with already peeled and washed shrimp. Some onion, a little ginger and garlic paste, a little seasoning, a little bit of pepper, now just ready. In here with some thyme, a little bit of salt. And I will just let that sit for 1 minute and then it's ready. So guys, this is ready now. So I'm going to let that heat up for a little bit. So I'm going to go in here with some onion, bit of carrot, go in with some green beans, ginger and garlic paste, some seasoning, some pepper. I'm going to come here with some bell peppers. Come here with some frozen peas. So I'm gonna let this fry on very high heat. So I'm coming here with the fried liver. And the fried beef. I'm going to come in here with the shrimp. So I'll let this fry on high heat for like 5 minutes, and then the fried rice is ready. So I'll add some scallions. Then 1 more minute and the fried rice is ready. So guys, this rice is ready. Let me bring it a little bit up close. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. Then I'm going to make the appetizer and the dessert. Okay, that's it. So guys, I'm going to come here with the fish, the peel, and fry this. So this is ready. I'm going to take it out. Close view. So now I'm going in with the potatoes. Out. And I will go in with this. I'm going to fry this as part of my main course dish. So guys, this dish is ready. And put this up. So guys, for the dessert, I'm gonna make strawberry compote as a topping for my Leches cake. So I'm gonna go here with my strawberries. So all you wanna do is cut it in half like this. You go in with half a cup of sugar. A little bit of lemon zest. Okay, let's use this side. You see, that's enough. Just a little bit of lemon zest. Then you want to go in with some lemon juice. Okay, so squeeze it. Okay, and you take this to the fire. So what you have here is strawberries, lemon zest, lemon juice, and half a cup of sugar. That's all you need. So I'll take this to the fire. So guys, you can see the strawberries boiling. You go ahead and turn. So the next thing you do is to smash the strawberries. So guys, this strawberry compote is ready. Super delicious. Oh my goodness. It's gonna pair very well with the cake. So we're gonna let this cool down and then I'm going to use it as a topping on my cake. Guys, after cooling, I have my strawberry compote here. So all you want to do is sprinkle a little bit of the strawberry compote. You can do it, you can design it whichever way you want, but I'll just go ahead and top mine on the tres leches, and I'll go on the bottom all around with the compote. So there you go, guys. Simple and delicious homemade strawberry compote, and I'm going to serve this as part of my dessert. Okay, so guys, the last thing on the menu is the broccolis. Okay, I'm gonna go in here with some broccoli. A little bit of seasoning mix. And that's it. So simple and yet so delicious. So guys, this is ready. Okay, so I'll go ahead and serve everything I've made. So there you have it, guys. So I have the fish cubes and the potato cubes as my appetizer. I have the fried rice and the fish. To serve with chicken as my main course. And some sautéed broccoli, tres leches with strawberry compote as my dessert. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very blessed day. Bye bye.